Every gardener dreams of vibrant blooms and bountiful harvests. The key to achieving this lies beneath our feet: healthy soil. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. It nourishes our plants, providing essential nutrients and water. When we invest in soil health, we are rewarded with stronger plants, tastier vegetables, and a more resilient garden ecosystem. Healthy soil is teeming with life, a complex web of organisms working together. These organisms, from microscopic bacteria to earthworms, play a crucial role in breaking down organic matter. This process releases nutrients in a form that plants can readily absorb. By understanding the importance of healthy soil, we unlock the secrets to a truly flourishing garden. Visit Fred's Sustainable Gardening for more tips and resources on transforming your garden soil naturally. Often overlooked, soil is a complex and dynamic ecosystem. It's not simply dirt beneath our feet, but a living, breathing world teeming with beneficial organisms. These organisms, including bacteria, fungi, and earthworms, are essential for plant health. They break down organic matter, releasing nutrients that plants need to thrive. Healthy soil is characterized by its dark color, crumbly texture, and earthy aroma. It drains well, yet retains moisture, providing a balanced environment for root growth. A healthy soil structure allows air to circulate freely, providing oxygen to plant roots and supporting beneficial soil microbes. Understanding the components of healthy soil empowers gardeners to make informed decisions about their gardens. Organic matter is the cornerstone of healthy soil. It encompasses any material derived from living organisms, from fallen leaves to composted kitchen scraps. Each type of organic matter contributes unique benefits to the soil ecosystem. Compost, often referred to as black gold, is a rich source of nutrients. Aged manure from herbivores like cows and horses adds valuable nitrogen and improves soil structure. Leaf mold, decomposed leaves, enhances drainage and provides a haven for beneficial insects. Mulch, a protective layer on the soil surface, conserves moisture, suppresses weeds, and moderates soil temperature. By incorporating a variety of organic matter, we create a balanced and thriving soil ecosystem. The magic of organic matter. Transforming your soil. Organic matter works wonders in the garden, transforming the very structure and fertility of the soil. It is the secret ingredient that turns ordinary soil into a thriving ecosystem. One of its key roles is nutrient unlocking. This means that the nutrients locked within the soil particles are made available to plants, ensuring they get the essential elements they need to grow. As organic matter decomposes, it releases essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, making them available to plants. This process is akin to nature's own slow-release fertilizer. This natural fertilization process promotes healthy growth and reduces the need for synthetic fertilizers. By relying on organic matter, gardeners can cultivate a more sustainable and eco-friendly garden. Furthermore, organic matter improves soil texture. It creates a crumbly, friable soil structure that is easy to work with and ideal for root penetration. It binds together sandy soil, improving its water-holding capacity, and breaks up clay soil, enhancing drainage and aeration. This dual action ensures that plants have access to both water and air, which are crucial for their growth. This balanced soil structure provides an ideal environment for plant roots to flourish. Healthy roots mean healthier plants, which can better resist pests and diseases. Organic matter also acts as a pH buffer, helping to maintain a stable pH level in the soil, which is crucial for nutrient availability. A balanced pH ensures that plants can absorb nutrients efficiently. Lastly, organic matter increases the soil's water retention capacity. This means that the soil can hold on to water for longer periods, reducing the frequency of watering. This is particularly beneficial in dry climates or during periods of drought, as it helps to conserve water and keep plants hydrated. By improving water retention, organic matter ensures that plants have a steady supply of moisture, even in challenging conditions. A gardener's guide incorporating organic matter. Adding organic matter to your garden is a simple yet transformative practice. It not only enriches the soil but also enhances its structure, water retention, and overall fertility. The first step is to identify the type of organic matter best suited for your soil type and gardening goals. This could range from compost, aged manure, leaf mold, to mulch. Compost is a versatile choice, rich in nutrients and beneficial microorganisms that help break down organic material. While aged manure is ideal for nitrogen-loving plants, providing a slow-release source of nutrients that can sustain plant growth over time. Leaf mold benefits heavy clay soils by improving their structure and drainage, making it easier for roots to penetrate. And mulch is excellent for suppressing weeds and retaining moisture, which is crucial during dry spells. Once you've selected your organic matter, it's time to incorporate it into your garden beds. This can be done in various ways depending on the type of organic matter and the needs of your garden. You can spread a layer of compost or aged manure over the soil surface, which will gradually work its way into the soil as you water and tend to your plants. Alternatively, you can gently work it in with a garden fork or tiller to ensure it mixes well with the existing soil. For existing gardens, consider top dressing with compost, which involves adding a thin layer of compost on top of the soil around your plants. This method is less disruptive to plant roots and still provides the benefits of added organic matter. Or you can use a mulch like shredded bark or wood chips, which not only adds organic matter but also helps in weed control and moisture retention. The key is to add organic matter regularly, ideally in both spring and fall, to keep your soil healthy and productive. This practice replenishes the nutrients in your soil, ensuring that your plants have everything they need to thrive throughout the growing season. With consistent care and the right organic matter, your garden will flourish, providing you with bountiful harvests and beautiful blooms. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. While adding organic matter is generally beneficial, there are a few common mistakes gardeners make. One is using uncomposted materials like fresh manure or grass clippings. These materials can harbor pathogens and release excess nitrogen into the soil, potentially harming plants. Another mistake is over-amending with organic matter. While beneficial, excessive amounts can lead to nutrient imbalances and drainage issues. It's crucial to follow recommended application rates and observe your plants for signs of nutrient deficiencies or excesses. Remember, gradual and consistent additions of organic matter yield the most sustainable and beneficial results. Reaping the rewards, a legacy of healthy soil. Investing in organic matter is an investment in the future of your garden. By enriching the soil with compost and mulch, you are laying the foundation for a thriving ecosystem. This practice not only nourishes your plants but also enhances the soil structure, making it more fertile and resilient. As you consistently amend your soil with organic matter, you'll witness a remarkable transformation. The soil becomes richer, darker, and more capable of retaining moisture. This leads to stronger root systems and more robust plant growth, creating a garden that flourishes year-round. Your plants will be healthier, more vigorous, and more resistant to pests and diseases. The natural nutrients in organic matter boost plant immunity, reducing the need for chemical pesticides and fertilizers. You'll experience the joy of bountiful harvests and vibrant blooms. The fruits and vegetables you grow will be more nutritious and flavorful, and the flowers will be more colorful and abundant. But the benefits extend far beyond your garden. Healthy soil contributes to the overall health of the environment, supporting biodiversity and promoting ecological balance. Healthy soil helps to sequester carbon from the atmosphere, mitigating climate change. By capturing carbon, it plays a crucial role in reducing greenhouse gases and combating global warming. It filters and cleanses water, protecting our waterways. The improved soil structure allows rainwater to percolate through, reducing runoff and preventing erosion. And it supports a thriving ecosystem of beneficial organisms, both above and below ground. Earthworms, insects, birds, and butterflies all find a home in a garden with healthy soil, creating a vibrant and dynamic environment. By embracing the principles of organic soil improvement, we create a legacy of healthy soil for generations to come. This legacy ensures that future generations can enjoy the same benefits of a thriving, sustainable garden. Join Fred's sustainable gardening community and leave a legacy of healthy soil for future generations. Together, we can cultivate a greener, more sustainable world.